Congratulations all, and thank you.
Medyo maruya itong palakpak. Lakas-lakasan po natin. From Korea, palakpakan po natin siya. Ano po ito? At wala hong development. Pares, dahil po sa tulong ninyo sa amin, Pangulong, ay meron na po tayong konkreto at pangako Boracay. Pero andito po siya at nais ko pong sabihin sa inyo na umalik.
Mula nung nagsimula itong pag-ayos ng airport na ito, tourist ko pa. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay.
Nirelease ng costo.
Dito lang kung temporary na nag-support. Manay ating kayo.
We filed a seizure warrant.
Bakit raw?
Illegal daw yung deportation, and in fact, we have all the papers, it's all complete.
Kaya duty free dahil for repair lang.
For repair lang.
Oo.
So anyway, it was just
Ganon.
so they lost the case.
Oh, dami. Si ano, may trabaho na ba kayo lahat? Diving. Ayun o,
Saltwater.
do you have a spa there? Do you have a spa?
Not yet. Very good setup here.
Hello. Ang maganda dyan yung one town, one product.